In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change multi-tools in No Man's Sky. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the two main ways in which you will be able to change or swap your multi-tools in No Man's Sky. So first, for the most convenient one that also works on consoles, all that you have to do is open the quick menu. So if you are playing on PC, press X. If you are playing on console, press down on the D-pad. Immediately upon doing this, you will see the quick menu, and all that you have to do is go over to Utilities, represented by the gear icon on the left side of the menu, and upon bringing up the Utilities tab, you will be able to go all the way to the left and select Swap Multi-Tool. Once you tap this Swap Multi-Tool option by selecting it, you will be able to browse between all of the multi-tools that you have available on your character. All that you have to do now is choose between any of them. So this is very convenient if you don't want to open the pause menu and configure everything. Just open the quick menu and you will be good to go at any point. So press X on your keyboard if you are on PC, or press down on the D-pad. Go over to the Utilities tab and select it here. Alternatively, if you are on PC, you can also set a hotkey. So follow the steps that I mentioned earlier on the quick menu to go over to Swap Multi-Tool, and once you select the multi-tool, you will be able to hold Control on your keyboard and press a number from 0 to 9, and this is going to bind the specific multi-tool to that key. And you can simply press that specific key to bring it up. You can go into your menu at any time to customize your multi-tools, and the option to swap is always going to be available. However, the only time in which you might not be able to swap multi-tools is while piloting a starship or exocraft, and like I said, if you are on PC, assigning it to a hotkey can make this process much more convenient. I hope I was able to help you on how to change multi-tools in No Man's Sky. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.